Hey JupyterX users! In this video, we'll explore how to implement different pagination styles using the Advanced Posts element, including numbered pagination, the Load More button, and infinite scroll. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by 200,000 plus users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450 plus ready-made websites, and offers exclusive WooCommerce features. Let's dive in. Okay, let's drag the Advanced Posts element from the left sidebar and drop it into the main content area. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to reduce both the number of columns and the number of posts displayed per page. This will help better showcase the pagination feature. Let's decrease the number of columns to 2, and also limiting the number of posts per page to 2. Alright, let's add some pagination to our posts. First, we'll need to expand the settings panel. Alright, let's scroll down a bit to find those pagination settings. Okay, let's turn on the pagination controls. Just toggle the Show Pagination switch to the On position. This enables us to tweak the pagination settings in the next step. Enabling pagination automatically sets it to the page-based style. Alright, check it out. Page-based pagination has been added to the bottom of our posts. Alright, let's take a peek at the final results. Just click the View Page button and open it in a new tab. Let's test the pagination function by going to the next page of blog posts. Once again. And one more time. Alright, now that we've seen the page-based pagination style, let's jump back to the editor and check out the Load More button. We can switch the pagination style to a Load More button by changing the default page-based pagination to the Load More option in the Pagination Style tab. Let's change that to Load More for the pagination style. Alright, as you can see here, the page-based pagination has been replaced with a Load More button at the bottom of our posts. Alright, let's go ahead and publish these changes, and then we can view the final result in a new tab. Let's click Load More to display more posts. One more time. Alright, now that we've seen the Load More button, let's jump back to the editor and take a peek at the infinite load style. Lastly, we can explore the infinite load pagination style. Now let's select infinite load for the pagination style. Alright, let's publish these changes and check the results in a new tab. Scrolling down the page, and now the older blog posts are loading automatically. And that's it. You've now mastered pagination styles in JupyterX. From numbered pages to infinite scrolling, you've got the tools to create a smoother, more engaging experience for your readers. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!